Hey everyone, I just wanted to give a shout out to those of you who are still thinking about joining the Academy. My name is Edward, and about 6 months ago I contacted Jody and Nat, and they generously gave me all the information they could about house sitting. I was having a real problem because I had signed up for a really well-known site, spent $70 or $80, and never gotten a house sit out of it. And I had lost confidence because I thought, well, I'm not a retired couple. I'm a single male, which may put me at a disadvantage. But after talking with them and joining their online academy, I got a lot more aware of the kinds of things that I needed to think about for presenting myself and for landing a successful house sit, and then what to do once you're there. So I would say it was definitely worth it, because 6 months ago I called them from Arizona, kind of feeling stranded after having lived in South America, and right now I'm in Greece after having met them. So if you're having any doubts about signing up, I'm a testimonial, a real person telling you it changed my life.